Ready to explore the world one bite at a time? These 10 street foods are not just snacks, they're culinary adventures. Stick around because number 7 will leave you craving more. Welcome to Salimat's Holistic Health. Today, we're taking you on a journey to discover the top treat foods from across the globe. From sweet treats to savory delights, there's something for everyone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a tasty adventure. First up, Japan's iconic takoyaki. These crispy golden octopus balls are topped with a sweet soy glaze, creamy mayo, and dancing bonito flakes. A must-try in Osaka's vibrant street markets. Next, let's visit Mexico for tacos al pastor. The smoky, juicy pork paired with tangy pineapple is the perfect street food combo. Falafel from the Middle East is a plant-based delight. These spiced chickpea patties are crispy outside, fluffy inside, and absolutely delicious. In Thailand, pad thai reigns supreme. This stir-fried noodle dish is packed with bold, tangy flavors and topped with crunchy peanuts. Pani puri from India is a flavor explosion. These crispy shells filled with tangy, spiced water are a street food classic. Spain's sweet treat churros is a dessert you can't resist. Crunchy on the outside, soft inside, and perfect with chocolate. In Turkey, doner kebab is king. This hearty wrap is loaded with juicy meat, fresh veggies, and creamy yogurt sauce. Arepas are a South American favorite. These gluten-free cornmeal patties are filled with endless possibilities, from cheese to savory meats. The USA's iconic street food is the hot dog. From New York's classic style to Chicago's loaded creations, they're a must-try. We finish in Italy with gelato. Creamier than ice cream, it's the perfect sweet treat to cool down while exploring the streets of Rome. Which of these street foods would you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious adventures from Salimat's Holistic Health. Thanks for watching. Remember, food is more than just nourishment, it's a way to connect with the world. See you in the next video.